Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Alfa. In this channel I'll be teaching you how to develop Android apps from scratch. For now we are covering two topics for downloading Android Studio and downloading a Java runtime kit for our developments. So let's start. We are starting by downloading Android Studio. So you just research for download Android Studio, then you come to their official link. If you click this link, we'll open this website. This is their official website. So you scroll down, then you'll find download links. Right, so you scroll down. As you see, these are the platforms and the Android Studio packages. So these packages, they are supporting 64-bit for Windows. So if you are using Windows, Mac and Linux and Chrome, you just download one of these files. Then you can navigate to download archives files. After that, you can come to their official site. This is their official site. Then you click download. Then you come to download Jdk development kit. So as you see, this is the latest of Java runtime. So if you scroll down, you find this is a Windows. These are the Windows files for 64-bit. So if you are using a 32-bit, you can research for. You just simply type for Jdk. For example, Jdk for 32-bit. As you see, there are many sites that provide a 32-bit. Or else, if you are using an Android Studio, if you are using Android Studio, if you are using Windows 32-bit, you can search for 32-bit of Android Studio. Then there are sites that support 32-bit. As you see, this is a 32-bit. On this site you can download a 32-bit Android Studio for 32-bit. So as you see, it supports 32-bit and 64-bit. So you can simply download from this button. So right, for me, I've already downloaded these files to save time. So let's navigate to our files to start the installation. Then we click the setup file of our Android Studio. Then wait a little bit while it's loading the setup. Right, now click next to install, next. Right, the installation is successfully completed. So I'll click next. Then I'll just unmark this. Then right now we want to install our Jdk. So let's start. So we go to the file. I already extracted our Jdk. So then I'll double click. Then I'll run the installation. Right, so this is the setup wizard. So at first we want to click this next. Right, right. Now, as you see, this installation will be installed to programs, then Java, then Jdk. So what I want to change this file folder. So we'll go direct to my local disk C. Then I'll click here, right, and then on this root folder we will create a new folder. Then we name it Java Home. So it's Java Home. Right, then we go back to our sub file. Then we look for our local disk C. Then we select Java Home. Then as you see, the folder name has been changed to C drive, then Java Home with slash at the end. So then we click OK. As you see now, it's changed to Java Home. Then now I'll click next. Then I will wait for the setup to complete. Okay, right, as you see, it's been successfully installed. Then now we'll click next to install this JRE to this folder file. So we don't change anything here. We just click next. Please be patient. As you see, it's done the installation. So let's just wait for the status to complete. Okay, yeah, it's successfully installed. As you see, the development kit is successfully installed. So you simply close this. Right now what I want to do, I want to create my Android Studio, a shortcut, so that will be easy for accessing. So you just simply go to program files, then you look for the folder called Android, then Android Studio, then bin. Okay, yeah, so now in this folder you scroll down. As you see, there's a first application called Android Studio. This Android Studio is for 32-bit. Then if you are using 64-bit, it's here. It's a third application. So I'll click the first one for my Android 32-bit. Then I'll send it to create a shortcut on menu on my desktop. Right now what I want to show you, we want to link our Android Studio program and our Java development kit. So I will go back to local disk C. Then I will open my Java Home. Then on top there is a top bar link. So as you see, I selected this Java Home. Then I will copy this file. Then I will click on this PC. Then properties. Right, then we go to advanced system settings. Then we go to environment variables. Right, as you see, because I'm programming, so I will delete this one first. Right, then I will create new one so that you will see how does it works. Right, on a variable name I will write exactly the same name, Java in capital letters, Java name, Java Home. Then on a variable value I'll paste the link of my development kit. Then I'll click OK, then OK, then OK. Then I'll close these files. we are done the installation. So as you see, if I click this shortcut, Studio is starting. So let's see if there is an error. As you see, the program is starting. Okay, right, as you see, the installation is successfully completed. So for now I'm using Android Studio version 4.1.2. so if you are using an update from this one, there is no problem, you can continue. Please download my application on the description below, then share with your friends, watch videos,